Today we're at the kitchen on River Road, and this is the perfect spot if you're looking to grab a quick breakfast sandwich, a pastry, lunch, or a ready-to-go meal and a bottle of wine. This is what supporting local is all about. So meals to go. If you don't know what to do for dinner tonight, you can come in here, grab some lemon pepper chicken, ravioli and meatballs, chicken parm, shepherd's pie, fresh baked loaf of bread, whoopie pies. They also offer ribeyes, filet, whatever you want. And this is all affiliated with the Chop House on Hanover Street and the Crown.